October. Equal Rights, BlackSmith Battle League, make some noise.
Yeah.
To my left, we got
Brixx, Belvy, APR, 100K, Extendo, Free GE. Yeah, man, make some motherfucking noise, huh?
Yeah.
And to the right, we got.
Man, y'all already know who it is, man. Writez with a C. Let's get this shit. Make this shit light.
Let's get it.
Man, fuck that shit. We got GoodWrittenz.
Come on.
First Brixx Belvy. Hey, y'all know who this nigga be?
Nope.
Nah, I figured. How many of y'all ever seen Wildin' Out?
Hey.
Y'all know that little conceited pussy? Yeah, that's this nigga OG, and he's supposed to be up here scaring me. Nigga, please. And who the fuck put this card together? Whoever it is, I should point them in their shit, because they really got me mad. And what the fuck I'm mad at is,
What?
man, they got all these women on the card, and I'm the only one battling a bitch, and it's about to get bad for you, Brixx. Come on. Yeah, it's about to get Brixx.
Let's go.
It's about to get bad for you, Brixx. Now, I feel sad for you, Brixx, because if I get an equal to you being subscribed to that bullshit, then cool. I got a mag for you, Brixx, and I'm a savage too, Brixx, because I ain't have to do this, but I walked in with the mind of big Aristotle at the line. I have to shoot Brixx, and I'm about to, and I'm about to spit some true shit. So let me get loose a little bit, because I don't want to rap past you. I just want to give them a little context, so when I'm whooping your ass, they could really laugh at you. Hey, this Brixx Belvy did. 2011, 2012, that nigga was the man though. He had balls, performance, delivery, punches, and he was a skinny nigga back then, but we can see how he's grown. On paper, he wasn't nothing but a certified up and comer, and that's the absolute truth, Brixx, because we checked your file. And we ain't trying to be, and I ain't trying to be disrespectful or rude, Brixx, but to make it to where you want to
Hold it down, hold it down.
Yeah, I ain't trying to be disrespectful or rude, Brixx, but to make it the way you wanted to make it, man, you have to be on point with this. For example, a nigga like me, I'm way too far from average, Scotland baby, real PR nigga, fantastic. I always say, fuck the rules, fantastic. I always led from the front and pull niggas up with me, Brixx, instead of riding to the scenic hotel your whole career like you and the rest of the Suns clique. While y'all was still doing free battles, man, that nigga was making moves and shit. Hey, y'all hold it down. While that nigga was doing free battles, y'all niggas was making moves and shit. Found Wildin' Out and Khan seated itself right on Nick Cannon. Look, and now that we know that your career on the low, nigga, peep what I wrote. Like, hey, Brixx, I ain't no joke. And I don't know if you fucking know, but that 9 over the 9, I mean, I'm the one that got to simplify it for these folks. Like on another note, bitch, I got the dopest pen in the South. You need a quote? Well, this pencil read, son, niggas really be running from the smoke. Now y'all, now y'all heard me say dispensary, yeah. Then y'all heard me say smoke, and that shit was crack, but here go another line for y'all to talk. That dispensary shit was for his material. And you wondering how that shit goes. Because it don't matter what you broke down and rolled up in here with, bitch, if I'm strong enough, you still gonna choke. You in the presence of a goat, nigga. The oak killer, the folk gripper, but still known to put a gun down and the coach niggas with a blade out. To his back, yeah, locate is this and this figure. Right. Hold up. With a blade out to his back, yeah, locate is this and this figure. Like we don't even listen to CDs no more. It's spin rubber, bitch. Big Hey, I knew I was gonna be a big dog in my city ever since I was tall as a big dog in my city. Growing up, I knew niggas had to abide by some laws in my city, like them pussies over the track, big Jesus crucifixion, because them niggas wouldn't even cross in my city. And if they do, it's loose and boo. I set it off in my city, because I'm with all that dumb shit. I'm talking double drum shit, or hit her with a Cinderella accident. The pump slipped in it. Hey, the pump slipped and it only get worse from here, Brixx. But for you, not for me, because it's gun talk or Long Island. Nah, I mean, it's my specialty. And I said that to allude to my nigga Deezy. Because remember when you said the clip curved like a cloth, a wild in it? Bro, that picture was wild. But you know what got me thinking? Kirk Franklin, the clip looks so much better when it smiles. Wow. The clip looks so much better when it smiles. Wow. And you was trying to come in here like a vet. Man, that's exactly how you were supposed to play it. But you made a mistake when you realized I'm a dog, but I ain't never been domesticated. I really ain't shit. Hey, I really ain't shit. And if you ask my girl, I really ain't shit. But for you, it's Mummy Returns. Because for this old rapper, I bought some ancient. Can I reach? Nah, I ain't gonna do that because I'm way too nice. I bought a Nina all white and I blaze her on a rapper, vanilla ice. Bitch, catch a flight? Bitch, catch a flight? You thought you was gonna be home in Georgia tomorrow like she was all fucking weird. Not knowing I take him to the bando, tie him up by his hands and feet, duct tape his mouth so he won't yell. Call up his baby mama like, bitch, if you don't got that 20K, hey, this nigga ain't coming home for real. Like the only way Brixx getting about this trap is if I make me a sale. This nigga friend. Hey, this nigga friend. And see how I said make me a sale? Y'all missed the ball, I can tell. I said make me a sale. Cause I'm about to get Brixx shipped up to Mississippi, boxed up and packaged with Nigga boxed up and packaged well, oh yeah. And they only gave us one round. And I guarantee they like how I talk that shit. Yeah. That's because I'm offended. I did numbers myself. Now look, let me start by saying I'm that nigga. Because I don't really say it enough. But in BR, I'm the OG of this battle shit. And whoever feel any way about that, bitch, hold these nuts. Don't talk to me about no smack niggas or no NJT. Just know when you mentioning me, it's written with a Z, pussy. Yeah. Go!
Right. Nightmares replay old missions. It's quite clear your life here is old missions. The sight here, no soul slipping, no bold witness. A hot 16 for anybody that's seen these GoodWrittenz. My woes with it and woes with it and really, that's the separation. Took 6 days, no weak shit in my preparation. I'm heavy in my class, his ass better check the wait list. On that note, written in feather like the Declaration. My reparations wasn't no land, mule, or pieces of the gold. I got mine in the street, selling pieces of my soul. That's death hand, reaching when it's cold. Speaking bold, I know I'm not the only reaper when I sold. Perfect.
I hear you.
I'm not the only reaper when I sold, I've been told. Never shown, imitate, never clone. I will rip every piece of your life that you ever known. You GoodWrittenz? That's cause your pen ain't graded, it look basic. And you, just pray for me, I need them good graces. Good gracious. I can dumb it down, but the check has varied figures. I got notes for dialing back like a secretary, nigga. Secondary gripper. I couldn't bring the primary in. I'm still sliding the ladder like a librarian. Hey, I really studied the vets. I really studied how the vets been moving now. Hold it down in the back. Hey, for a real fortune, I bang a smithing in his yard. He testing me, it's destiny written in the stars. Oh my God. It's different with the bars. See that good shit? Everywhere. I can end this round, they'll up the pounds and good shit. Everywhere. I let it in this beat. Niggas everywhere. I let it flare. Back.
I said, hold it down back there, please, thank you.
I said I let it flare. Back. Fuck, man, pick a sound. 2-1. Your way. Hey, you. Pick the rounds. Pick the person. Pick the place. The thing will pick it now. So cold, off the dome, that scream is written down. Hey nigga, how? You on the flyer, chilling on the bitch side. Good news is, any side you on is the bitch side. Big slide. It'll claim your name while you sitting in the floor dead. I caught a lion. I guess I got stupid written on the forehead. Boy, you dead. I mean, that sounds like a good angle. Devil on my shoulder. Bah! I know I'm about to see a good angel. Hey, I'm the one they came to see regardless. Nigga, you trying to beat me. They drop this footage, I'm gonna have to beat these charges. 2020, I can keep these artists. I don't care if the tag is written over Brixx like graffiti artists.
Hey, BlackSmith.